So I'm back for another video. This time I'm gonna talk about how I trade and how I started. First of all, in trading, in order to be successful, to be making profit consistently, you have to paper trade. Paper trade is another form of trading where you're trading not with real money, but with paper. Just like it said, the word describes itself, paper trading. And that's where you start building your strategies because you need in trading you need an edge, you need a strategy, you need to create a strategy where you can earn money every day. Every time you trade you win, but not all the time it's successful. Sometimes you lose, but me, I practice so much where I rarely lose, and it hasn't been that way for me because I've studied like 4 years ago, and to tell you the truth, it hasn't been that good. And I remember when I first started trading with paper trading, not with my real account, and then I thought I was good. To tell you the truth, like 2 years ago, I thought was really good. I was going long, and I let the stock sit, and then whenever it goes up, and then I sell it. For me, I thought I was the best, but in reality, I didn't know anything. I knew something, but I wasn't quite that good. I found out the hard way when the U.S. and China started having the trade war, China and U.S. That's when Trump started, to tweet, about, the way it's going, how the trade is going, how bad the trade is going, and then all the stocks, started to suffer, and then all of them they started going down. A few of them were ups, but most of the time, every day they were going down, and then I lost a lot of money, like real money, from my account. At that time, I had Robinhood, and then I'm like, oh my god! So I need to teach myself how to short because I didn't like shorting. I didn't I didn't want to short, but because of the trade war going on between China and the U.S., it really gave me it really gave me an urge. It gave me I was angry, and then I was decided to start shorting stocks, and then I never realized how good I could become from shorting stocks. And that's when I opened a Webull account. And then Webull is very awesome for my Webull has great graphic, everything. If you want to analyze the stocks, I think Webull is one of the best platforms out there, and it's for free, and you don't pay commission, as well as the other stock platforms, E-Trade, Schwab, and Ameritrade, and the other ones. There's no commission right now. It's free commission since last month. It's a good thing for us so that we can save a bunch of money on buying and selling stocks. And to go back to what I was saying, and that's when I started with an account of 1 million, and I decided to short stocks every day, daily. As you can see, I started on June 3rd, 2019. Every day I was trading. You see, every day. Some day I make 1,700. Some day I make 152, $71, 31, 400, 1,400. It varies. I mean, it varies. Like someday I can make 100, 200, 300, 600 every day, and then it really went very well. And for weekly, you see, not 1 week I lost. See, the first week I made 2,000, the second week I made 700, and the third week I made 2,000, and it goes on and on and on, as you can see. You see, all of them are green. I never lost. Never lost. And let's go for the month. The first month I make 9,200 something. The second month over 6,000, and then the third month over 14,000, and then the fourth month over 9,000, and the fifth month, which is now October, I make 3,800 so far. And all this time, when shorting, when trading, I never trade with the full 1 million account they gave me. Remember, I'm talking about paper trading right now. And I always use less than 30,000 to trade. And then sometimes there was a time where I wanted to really test my knowledge to see how efficient I am, to really see how good I am from shorting. I started from 30,000 every day to make profit every day to 3,000. I lowered down to see how good I was, and it made me realize how good I am. Yes, I know I am good right now. From 3,000, I every day I use 3,000 to trade. And in order to trade every day, remember you need at least a 25,000 account, real or paper. It doesn't matter. You need a 25,000. Otherwise, you're gonna be under the PDD rule, pattern day trading, PDT rule, pattern day trading. You're gonna be under it. If you have over 25,000, then you can trade every single day. You can trade several times a day. It doesn't matter. But my advice would be not to overtrade, because some people overtrade. When you overtrade, you lose money. You lose all of the money you've made during the day. Don't do that. If you win, for example, 500, 800, 1,000 for the day, just leave it at that. You don't have to keep trading, because you're gonna overtrade. You're gonna exhaust yourself, which is not a good thing. And then also, let me go over the graph. My graph, you see, like I told you, I started June, July, and then my graph, it keeps going up, 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 up. That's all I do, going up. It's been 5 months since I started paper trading. I studied paper trading before, I told you, but I was wrong, and then I didn't go anywhere. And because of the trade war, I lost confidence. I was really confident, but I lost my confidence in going long, and then I don't go long anymore. All I do right now is shorting, and shorting is way better for me, in my opinion. It's very dangerous as well, because you can owe money to the firm, to the broker, and but you have to be careful. You have to know what you're doing. I keep going up, 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 up. So that's my P&L percentage, and my performance, and that's my performance. So far, for my net account, I've been 36,000 plus 36,000 up. That's my profit. I make over $40,000 from trading, from paper trading, over 40,000. I could talk about my real account right now, but that's another video I'm gonna have to make. Not right now. Yeah, so that's how you guys can start trading. You have to start first with paper trading, because when you're paper trading, you you have an idea of what to do. You know what to do. It makes you become used to the market, because it's the real numbers. When you're paper trading, only the money is not real, because you cannot transfer it from that account to your bank account. But otherwise, everything is real. The stock is real. The numbers that's going up and down is real. The offers is real. The bid, the ask, everything is real. You don't have to worry about that. Everything is real. So if you developed a strategy, if you found your comfort on a particular strategy, just skip it. If it works for you every day, every single day, just keep it. Sometimes it's not gonna work, but don't doubt yourself, because some people, when they discover an age, a way to make money from trading, and then when it doesn't work, sometimes they feel like it failed them. The strategy failed them, but it doesn't, because not all the time you're gonna win. But at the same time, if you're a real professional, you're gonna win most of the time, which is a good thing. Yeah. So I got a couple loss. Only one, two, only one red, two red, three, four, five, six. Only six from all of this. You see? Only six. That's how good I am. From trading every single day. Every single day. Yeah. So I'm coming up. And so I wanted to make that video just to show you guys you can do it too. Because I'm not gonna say I'm the smartest guy. I'm one of the smartest guys, uh, but at the same time, I'm not dumb either. Yeah, I'm yeah. So you guys can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. All you have to do is you can start paper trading to see how to make it. It takes me 3 years to realize, to find out about my strategy, because you have to build a strategy. Without that strategy, trust me, you're not going anywhere. You're only gonna lose money. All right, so guys, thank you very much, and don't forget to like the video and go follow me on my second Instagram page, which is Johnny Gates 2. I'm gonna put it below, and please go follow me. And if you like my video, just like it, and then comment. If you got a comment, don't forget. And whether it's a good comment or bad comment, I'm still gonna take it. All right, thank you very much, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.